Hey everyone. So one of you reached out to me and they are a real estate agent looking to generate leads using Reddit and Notifier. And this is absolutely something that you can set up. I've done this for dentists, for lawyers, anyone really that has a local business. It's all the exact same approach. Now, the first thing you have to do is understand that the Reddit API does not return a location parameter for any posts or comments that are made. So what can you do? Well, what you can do actually is find a subreddit that is geared towards the area you're in. I used to live in San Diego, so we're going to use San Diego for this example. And let's say that I was a real estate agent in San Diego who was looking to find out when people are looking for either a real estate agent or when they're looking to buy and sell homes. Maybe I kind of wanted to chime in and promote myself. So what I could do is go into Notifier and click Add Searcher. We're going to just have Reddit selected, email, we're going to say instantly for alerts. And now this is the new functionality that we have added recently. It helps you get suggestions from AI based on what you want to search for. So let me put in, I am a real estate agent looking for people that want to buy homes. Let's click on Get Suggestion. Okay, this could work. So let's copy this, and you may need to play with this a bit and kind of adjust it. And one thing you can do is ask ChatGPT or Claude what they think of this query string. The syntax that we support is actually called Solar syntax, so that's SOLR. And remember, what I recommend doing here is to start with kind of a simple search string and then build or narrow it down as you go along if you find that you're getting too many results. Now keep in mind, very soon in the next few weeks, we are going to be adding AI-based filtering, and that will help you even more. That's going to eliminate all the problems people have been having on narrowing down exactly what they're searching for, because the way that's going to work is very similar to this actually. So you're going to enter in a search string and then there'll be another box somewhere here where you tell the AI, hey, only give me results that are actually for this. And then what's going to happen is it's going to make a call to the API with each result you get and just verify that, yes, this is indeed a person that is interested in purchasing a house or whatever it is you're looking for. So this looks pretty good to me to start with. So I'm just gonna click on copy to search string. It'll copy it into that field for us, or you could just copy it and do it manually. If you do want a human to double check your searcher, just click this box here and we will take a look and see if it looks accurate. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of trial and error that goes with this, right? Don't just set it up and expect it to just work. Or if you set it up and you get too many results initially, you may need to narrow this down a little bit more. You can test it if you want to see how it's working. Let's just see how this works. We're going to say, I want a good real estate agent because I want to buy a home. You can just type that in. Let's see if this actually matches. And there you go. So yes, if someone typed this into Reddit in a post or a comment, then this would match. And so it would show up in your results. Now, what do we want to do next? Well, we want to narrow this down to where it's only searching in the San Diego subreddit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click advanced mode. Okay. And then you will click show searcher specific options. I probably need to change that because I think that's a little confusing for some people. We do want to find both posts and comments. So we're going to leave this on both, and then include or exclude certain subreddits. We're actually going to say include because we want to include only results from certain subreddits. And then we're just going to put the name of the subreddit in here, and you can include multiple. So if it's San Diego and then maybe some other area around San Diego that you're concerned with, then you could put multiple kind of cities in there, multiple subreddits. We're going to go back to Notifier. I'm going to put this in. Keep in mind, they are comma separated, and you do not include the R slash. You just include the name of the subreddit. If you want to ignore posts or comments from certain users, you can certainly do that here. And then we have an option to ignore not safe for work content. Now keep in mind that does rely on that content being tagged as NSFW in the Reddit platform. So if it's not tagged as NSFW, it may allow it through. So keep that in mind. From here, you would just click Add Searcher, and then you are good to go. And this searcher is up and running in Reddit. Do not be confused. It will always give you an example match just to show you kind of what that looks like. We may change that behavior in the future because it's confused some people. But now this searcher is out there only searching in the San Diego subreddit for strings that match this search string. But that is it. So let me know if you're interested in helping beta test the new AI-based verification. And remember, this is not just for real estate agents. This is for if you're a dentist, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, any kind of local business, and you want to find people that are interested in what it is you provide, then you can use this approach. And like I always say, Reddit is a fantastic way to market your product because people will literally put into Google search whatever they're querying and then Reddit to find results that are only on Reddit because people tend to trust Reddit more than some, unfortunately, random blog post out there recommending a product. And because of that, because Google knows that, Google search, they actually heavily favor results from Reddit. So the point is, if someone posts on the San Diego subreddit, hey, does anybody have any great real estate agent recommendations or any great dentist recommendations, then there's a good chance that's going to be indexed by Google search and people will see it showing up in there. But yes, this is why it is very important to use Reddit as much as possible to promote your local business. Like I said, let me know if there's any questions on this or if you can't come up with an idea of how to market your own product, let me know. I'll throw up a video, create a tutorial, and we can talk more about that. That is it. Have a great day.